I don't know if this is the one for the trunk or the one for the T-tops, you feel me? But literally everything is in here. The entire weather stripping is this one. This is it. This is the entire repair panel kit. So like I said, this is the middle one right here. That middle one is this one. That side one there. That side one there. And then I pulled out them poles right there, and then there's 2 more poles. So like I said, everything is in that box, you know what I'm saying? I just haven't pulled it out yet. So that is that, the repair panels, and that's the site. Ooh, they on sale right now too. This is the whole weather stripping kit, everything that I need, you know what I'm saying? And then the repair panels, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all excited, man. I'm so ready to get everything installed on this car. I'm gonna just pull everything out. I'm gonna have to reorganize the box now since I pulled all this stuff out.
Bingo! I got action.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all the weather stripping and the T-top repair panels, you know what I'm saying, for my Cutlass. So y'all know the Cutlass finna go to the fabricator to get a lot of welding done, a lot of new sheet metal put on the car, a lot of stuff finna get done. I got a shirt on, I got tank top. It's really hot outside, so tank top weather, you know what I'm saying. But like I was saying, y'all know the Cutlass finna go to the shop and get fabricated, get a lot of new sheet metal, get these panels put on, get the floors done, try to get my rear bumper pushed out a little bit, get new weather stripping all the way around. And I decided, yeah, I've showed y'all the floor pans and everything, why not go ahead and show y'all the T-top repair panels and the weather stripping, you know what I'm saying? Now this stuff was not cheap at all, you know what I'm saying? The repair panels, I think, was like $300, and we ordered this stuff a while back, you know what I'm saying? When the car was first dropped off to the shop, that's when we ordered this stuff. So I done had this stuff about 4 or 5 months, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, I just wanted to show y'all this stuff before the car get dropped back off. I think it's gonna get dropped back off in a couple more days. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be after I go and pick up my motor for this car. We in the box Chevy right now. My allergies is messing up. They cutting grass and it's messing up my allergies. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, I was gonna bring the Cutlass over here because there was a couple more things I wanted to put on the car before we have to drop it back off. But you know what I'm saying, I was already over here, and the parts was here. The parts are here, you feel me, with the box Chevy, sitting over here with the box Chevy, even though they're for the Cutlass. So I just figured, why not go ahead and show y'all the parts while I'm here and while I got them, you know what I'm saying? And that way y'all know what's going on in the car and what's going to be new, you know what I'm saying, when we get the car back. So yeah, man, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, I'm gonna get out and get ready to show y'all everything that we got, man. You know what I'm saying? We just spent a lot of money on this car, you feel me? We just spent a lot of money so far, and I know this is just the beginning. And you feel me, I don't mind spending the money, since I know this is a car I'm never gonna get rid of. The Cutlass is one I'm never gonna get. I get rid of my box Chevy before I get rid of that Cutlass, even though box Chevys are my all-time dream cars, and I love box Chevys more than anything, you know what I'm saying? But I get rid of this car before I get rid of that Cutlass, because that Cutlass is sentimental to me and my family, you feel me? That was one of the cars that my mom and my dad used to take road trips in. And I know I've told y'all this story before, told y'all a lot of this stuff before, but it's a lot of y'all that are new to the channel, you feel me? So yeah, man, that Cutlass, a lot of people might see it as junk, while I see it as a sentimental project for me to rebuild and bring back to life, give it another life. So that's what I'm doing. I'm changing up the colors on it, but it's still the same car, you know? That's the whole point of me doing it. It's the same car that my folks used to take road trips in, used to drive everywhere, you know what I'm saying? And you feel me? That's a car my dad customized, and that's one of the few cars that he still have that he didn't get rid of, you know? And yeah, man, I'm just excited to rebuild, and I'm glad I got the opportunity to redo it, you know, and add my own little touches to the car. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm finna get out, show y'all everything that I got. Well, actually, I'm just gonna show y'all the weather stripping and the repair panel. So yeah, man, it's It's like I told y'all, it's a lot of money being spent, but it has to be spent. So catch y'all when I get out the car. All right, y'all, so like I was saying, man, I want to go ahead and show y'all this stuff while I got it here before we gotta drop the car back off. Now I honestly don't remember how much I had to spend for the weather stripping, but the repair panels, I know it was 300 plus tax, you know what I'm saying? So here go everything. I got one of the repair panels out. I'm gonna pull the rest of them out in a second, but this is the middle piece that's gonna go in the middle of the T-top, and y'all see brand new. And this is one of the weather stripping. Now I think, which one is this one? See, it don't even say. Yeah, this one don't even say which one it is. I don't know if this is the one for the trunk or the one for the T-tops, you feel me? But literally everything is in here. The entire weather stripping is this one. Replacement, yeah, see, these don't even say what they go to. But you feel me, the shop will figure that out once they gotta install it. I don't know if this is for the doors or the T-tops, but yeah, man, pull these out. See, I didn't want to pull everything out because I know I'm gonna have to put everything back in, but it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? Now these are the parts. These are the two repair panels that go around right where the front windshield is, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, there you go, like that. And then this middle one, we try to move this stuff out the way some. So there you go, like that with the middle one. I think I got this middle one backwards. I think the middle one goes this way, and they connect like that. And then this one will go on this side like that. So it'll be literally just like that, the whole. So driver side, passenger side, middle, and the middle wire off like that. These are some more little pieces. Like I said, I don't know where all this stuff go, but you feel me, the entire kit is right here, and I ordered it offline. I forgot what site, but yeah, man, I got it offline, you feel me? And as y'all can see, the repair panels, they will go on, and y'all know there's some sheet metal work got to get done to the car. Then these panels will go over that sheet metal work that's gonna get done around the T-top, you feel me? And like I said, all new weather stripping. It's a whole lot up in this box. Let's see. This one say what it goes to. Oh, this is the trunk one. Okay, so this is the trunk one, and this do not say my car. If y'all look, that don't say my car, but I guess it don't matter. I guess it all work the same, maybe. Honestly, I don't know. So that's them, and what else is one more? What this one go to? And it don't say. One second. Alright, y'all, my bad about this. Somebody was flagging me down, you feel me, trying to ask me a question or something. Yeah, I honestly don't know. But yeah, man, like I said, man, the entire weather stripping kit, this is everything, and you feel me, came in the box. So this is all one kit, you feel me? So I gotta put that back. Phone is going off, bro. Come on now. Oh, I gotta hurry up. I gotta get ready to go somewhere. I just got a message saying, come on. So yeah, like I said, man, this is the weather stripping kit. And yeah, like I said, the Cutlass is about the time we get done with it, it's basically gonna be a brand new car. You know what I'm saying? We pulling out all the stops. We doing literally everything to this car. You know, it ain't gonna be one part that's not gonna be touched. Now, the box Chevy and the Cutlass, if y'all look through here, the frame is a little rusty, so I will be doing the frame. I'm gonna do this frame first, and then I'm gonna do the Cutlass frame after we get it back from the fabrication shop. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the that spray that's supposed to turn rust into dirt. I'm gonna go and get that, and then I'm also gonna get some black frame spray, you feel me, some Rust-Oleum. So y'all stay tuned for that. Probably about time y'all getting this video, I probably already done it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, y'all stay tuned for that. I will be doing that very, very soon, you know what I'm saying? Probably next weekend when I get ready to fix that window regulator when my new one come in. So yeah, man, like I said, man, this is the repair panels. This is everything we have for the car. Go ahead and pull this one out. Even though, like I said, half of these, I don't know what they go to, but the fabrication shop will do it. Y'all know I'm not a welder, so I'm not doing none of that. Some more pieces. Another piece in here. I don't want to pull everything out because I got to put everything back in, so I think it's a few more pieces in there, but I can show y'all the picture real quick of what it looked like, the full repair panel kit. Let me see, because I just had it up on my phone. T-top repair panel kit. So that's what they look like. I think that's where I ordered them from. Honestly, I don't remember, because when the shop had sent me what I needed to get, I had basically just gave them the money and they got it, you know what I'm saying? But this is it. This is the entire repair panel kit. So like I said, this is the middle one right here. That middle one is this one. That side one there. That side one there. And then I pulled out them poles right there, and then there's 2 more poles. So like I said, everything is in that box, you know what I'm saying? I just haven't pulled it out yet. So that is the repair panels, and that's the site. Ooh, they on sale right now too. 9% off if you use that code. So yeah, but I wasn't able to get that code when I ordered this kit, but you feel me, it'll be all right, you feel me? It is what it is. But like I said, man, new repair panels going on the Cutlass, new T-top, well, not even just T-top, but trunk, doors, T-top. This is the whole weather stripping kit, everything that I need, you know what I'm saying? And then the repair panels, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all excited, man. I'm so ready to get everything installed on this car. I'm gonna just pull everything out. I'm gonna have to reorganize the box now since I pulled all this stuff out. Yeah, man, like I said, man, I hope y'all are excited to see everything installed on the car. This Cutlass is getting fully redone, and honestly, I can't wait to have it back from the fabrication shop. Hopefully it don't take no longer than like 2 weeks, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm super excited. I hope y'all are too, just like I am, to send this car off, get the fabrication done, and get the car back. I'm trying to pull everything out because I gotta put everything back in this box. Like I said, man, everything is here. Everything is in the box. I'm just trying to get everything out so I can reorganize the box. Look like this, everything. One little bag for that other repair panel. Yeah, they look like this, everything. So I'm pretty ready to organize this box back up. Put everything back up in the box, you know what I'm saying? And then put it back up. So here it go. This is where we got it from, Mike Monty's. This is one of my cars I'm trying to get, a Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying? So off eBay. And then the weather stripping kit. So yeah, man, like I said, I hope y'all are excited for everything that's gonna go on with this car. I hope y'all ready to see everything get installed. And yeah, man, when we drop it off to the fabrication shop, y'all know I'm gonna record dropping it off, you feel me? Then I'm gonna record picking it up, and I'm gonna show y'all everything that was done to it. It's a lot, man. It's a lot finna go on with this Cutlass, and we still finna get the interior done. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned for everything that's going on. I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Let me know y'all opinions of what y'all think of the kits that we got, weather stripping kit, repair panel kit. So yeah, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I told y'all, man, everything that's being done to both of these cars, it may take me a little bit longer, it may take me a little time, but I want everything done correctly the first time, you feel me? I want everything done right the first time. That way I won't have to come back later on and spend more money trying to fix something when I should have done it right the first time, you know? So that's really the only reason why stuff is really taking me a little bit longer. For one, I'm not made of money. I don't have a lot of money, and I don't work a job, you know what I'm saying? The money that I make, I put it right into my cars, you feel me? I'm not saving everything. I'm not doing all this type of stuff. I put the money right into my cars as soon as I make the money, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know I've been spending a lot of money lately, and not having a job is really hurting me, you feel me? But everything's gonna work out, you feel me? I think everything's gonna work out just fine. And like I said, I don't want to have to spend, I don't want to try to cheat my way out, and with these cars doing this stuff the first time, then I'll have to come back and spend even more money, double, triple, quadruple the next time to try to fix the problem or mistake that I made the first time, when I should have never just cheat my way out, you know? So like I said, that's one reason why a lot of this stuff A lot of this stuff is taking me a little bit longer to get done because, like I said, I'm not trying to cheat my way out. I'm trying to make the money, then get it done correctly the first time, so I won't have to come back later on down the line and fix that problem, you know. So yeah, man, I'm glad everything is working out right now. Like I told you, it's gonna take me a little time. Everything not gonna happen overnight. It's something I've been learning, you know. So I've been really practicing my patience, and my patience it's at an all-time good, you feel me. It's really good. I've been really patient with a lot of this stuff with these cars. You know, you really have to be patient. You can't rush stuff to come out perfect. You really gotta take your time with it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm talking about? So yeah, man, that's really the only thing that's been holding everything up, you know, is me trying to make sure I have the bread to be able to spend it and get it done. That way I don't be in nobody's debt. You know, I hate owing money. I hate owing money. That's why I don't never ask nobody for money. I don't never ask to borrow nothing from nobody. I just hate owing people favors and owing people money, you know. So I like to do everything myself, you know. I'm really independent, you feel me. That's one way I was raised, and that's how I was taught, you feel me. Try to be as independent as possible, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, that's one reason why, you feel me, the cars ain't been painted. But y'all also know the cars can't be painted right now because there's still a lot of stuff I'm trying to do. Like with this box Chevy, I'm motor swapping it again, so I'm not painting it before I have my motor swap done, you know. Then I can risk getting the paint messed up and all that stuff. So yeah, man, I'm just really being patient, you feel me. Y'all gotta be patient with me. And y'all see we got the weather stripping kit, we got everything, you feel me, to be installed on that car. We just waiting on a call from the fabricator to get my spot, or get a spot in his shop, so the car can get finished, you know what I'm saying. Then I can start working on my customization work, you know. And the motor is healthy, the motor is good, so I'm not really stressing about getting a motor in that car right now. But I have 2 motors now. Y'all know I've already paid for that built 350. I just gotta go pick it up, and it's coming in 2 days. So I have an extra motor right here if I ever want to throw it in that Cutlass, you know. And I won't have to spend extra money to find another motor. The only thing I gotta spend money on is getting a transmission. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope y'all like the weather stripping kit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the panels and weather stripping kit. Trying to think, is there anything else I'm forgetting? I got everything for that car. I just gotta install it. Just ain't really had the time to install it because y'all know the car's been going in and out of the shop trying to get everything fixed. So yeah, man, I will keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. Y'all know that's the whole point of me doing this. I want to try to keep y'all updated with everything I get, everything that gets done, everything that I do. That's why I try to record and make as many videos as possible to keep y'all up to date with everything that's going on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. Main thing, man, keep God first and God bless, man. And I'm finna put them boxes back up. And yeah, man, I'll keep y'all updated with everything that's going on, like I told y'all, man. So y'all just stay tuned. It's a lot we finna do. It's a lot that's coming with these cars, and it's a lot that, you feel me, I still have to order. No, really ain't. Really ain't much I have to order now. You feel me? It's just stuff got to get installed. So we waiting on our time to get into shops and parts to come in the mail that I've already ordered. So yeah, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.